This machine is equipped with a 4-independent linear weighing system, specially designed for free-flow powder materials such as washing powder, soap powder and cleaning powder. It realizes fully automatic packaging including bag forming, weighing, filling, sealing and date printing in one integrated workflow. 4-independent weighing hoppers match high-precision load cells with multi-stage vibration feeding to achieve stable weighing and low tolerance, effectively reducing material waste. Product contact parts are made of SUS-30 for stainless steel, dust-proof, anti-corrosion and easy to clean and maintain. Adopted PLC and touchscreen intelligent control system. Multiple product recipes can be recalled with one click. Parameters such as bag length, running speed and filling weight are digitally adjustable. It supports pillow bags, gusseted bags and other bag styles, applicable for washing powder packages from 100g to 5 kg. It can be matched with elevator, finished conveyor and online printer to form a complete automatic packaging line. It is a cost-effective quantitative packaging solution for daily chemical detergent powder manufacturers.